the Piedmont Natural Gas Day Before Father's Day car show is actually June the 17th. The show starts about 10 o'clock and it ends about 3:30, 4 o'clock. The people that are entering cars usually start getting here I've got people that are usually here about 6:30, so we start setting up and cars are already here. But it's a fun time. A lot of people celebrate Father's Day on Saturday here in Anderson, day before Father's Day. So, in fact, I do it myself for my day. The show is free. Didn't cost you anything to come. If you're going to enter the car, and the day of registration is $20 to enter the car. Flagstaff, Arizona, don't forget Winona.